Welcome to Henry channel. This is a HP Pavilion 14-dv2504sa and I'm going to show you how to upgrade the RAM for this laptop. Here it goes. This is the RAM. It's DDR4 RAM, so this laptop only takes DDR4 memory. So you turn the laptop on the other side, there's two rubber strips. You can either remove it completely or just tilt it, but I'm going to just remove it. Just show you how it looks like when it's removed. So as you can see, there's two holes there. I've removed the screws already. You need to remove them too. This one as well, you can either remove the whole strip or just remove from here and from the other side. Once you've done that, there's two bottom screws here that need to be removed. So once all the screws have been successfully removed, you need a pry tool like this and a screwdriver. So with your pry tool, you tilt your laptop, get in between this edge here. So this is where you need to work on. So you go across gradually and it will lift up. The lid will start to open it, and yeah, you just remove it basically. Very easy. So there's two slots of RAM. One is obviously occupied because otherwise the system will not work. So this RAM here, I'm going to insert it like this. Okay, so you insert it. Once it's in place, you push it down, and then that's it, guys. It's very simple. That's how you upgrade the RAM for this laptop. And then once you put all the screws in, you'll get a message. You press F1 to continue and your RAM is upgraded.